Scientists have created a bionic eye that can restore vision to the blind. Imagine waking up and seeing the world for the first time after years of darkness. This groundbreaking technology uses a combination of advanced sensors and neural interfaces to bypass damaged parts of the eye and directly stimulate the brain's visual cortex. The bionic eye works by capturing light and converting it into electrical impulses, which are then transmitted to the brain. These impulses are interpreted as visual information, allowing the user to perceive shapes, colors, and even faces. The technology is still in its early stages, but initial trials have shown promising results, with patients reporting significant improvements in their ability to see and navigate their surroundings. What makes this innovation even more exciting is the potential for future developments. Scientists are already exploring ways to enhance the resolution and depth perception of the bionic eye, aiming to provide a more natural and comprehensive visual experience. This could revolutionize the lives of millions of visually impaired individuals, offering newfound independence and opportunities. As research continues, the dream of restoring vision to the blind is becoming a reality. The bionic eye stands as a testament to the incredible advancements in medical technology and the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. Keep an eye on this space, as the future of vision is looking brighter than ever.